The two twin-engined military transporters, Kawasaki C2 vs Embraer KC-390. Embraer started studies of the KC-390 in 2006, thinking of providing a jet engine equivalent to the C-130, a market not well served. Development of the C2 started around 5 years earlier, after the Japanese had decided that no foreign aircraft matched their demands for turbofan-powered aircraft to carry twice the payload of C-130s at the time. So here are the two aircraft and their berth, but which is better? Before we find out, if you're new here, do subscribe and stay tuned for more great videos on the way. Also check out the official new One Sky Flyer Instagram page linked in the comments below for more great plane spotting photos. Performance. The KC-390 flies 3,140 nautical miles with a 14-ton payload, and with max payload flies 23.6 tons of payload over 1,400 nautical miles. It has cruise speed of Mach 0.8. What does it carry? 80 troops, 66 paratroopers or 7 463L pallets. Kawasaki C2 is built as a heavier lifter and carries 30 tons to 3,100 nautical miles or 36 tons max to 2,429 nautical miles. Cruise speed is also at Mach 0.8. It carries 8 463L pallets, 60 troops or 45 paratroopers, though it can carry more weight. It's really more of a cargo aircraft. Engines. The Kawasaki C2 is powered by two GE CF6 with up to 59,740 pounds of thrust each. The KC-390 is powered by two IAE V2500 engines with up to 31,330 pounds of thrust each. C2 uses wide-body engines while the KC-390 uses single-aisle engines. Cabins. Comfort ain't any priority, so instead, the Kawasaki C2 cargo bay measures 15.7 meters long by 4 meters high by 4 meters wide. The KC-390 measures 18.5 meters long, though only by 3 meters high and 3.4 meters wide, so KC-390 cargo bay is around 33% larger. Advantages and disadvantages. Kawasaki C2 is extremely versatile, able to take off out of 500-meter long runways with low payload or carry high amounts of payload. KC-390 takes off out of 978-meter long runways. Kawasaki C2 is, however, extremely expensive as it's produced in low quantities primarily for the Japanese Air Force at US $136 million a pop. The KC-390 is more mass-produced between a Boeing-Embraer partnership, with good ground support, marketing, and it's cheaper at US $60 million a pop. Orders. 38 KC-390s have been ordered or sold to Brazil, Hungary, and Portugal. Currently, there are 7 C2s, though the Japanese army has plans to take 40 of them. So there we are. The KC-390 is really a smaller, more efficient and cheaper aircraft, which carries less dense cargo in terms of weight, and is closer in capabilities to the C-130. The C2 on the other hand with twice the capabilities and can take heavier cargo, though would cost twice as much, and is really in between the KC-390 and C-17 in performance, but it can lift more weight. It all depends on what armies need, and both are truly unique and reliable workhorses. Thanks for tuning in, and to meet next time. One team, one aviation, one sky ahead.